Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rambharat Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science, Krishna Engineering College, Mohan Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to start lecture 12. In this lecture, we will learn about the linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. This is the last lecture of this unit first. So, what do you mean by linear partial differential equation with the variable coefficient? Or it may be right as equations reducible to linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients, or these types of linear partial differential equation are known as the Euler-Cauchy's problem. Euler-Cauchy's problem. The general form of such types of equation is f x to the power r d to the power r and y to the power r to d dash to the power r is equal to f x y. Clear? Here there is notable point that the power of variable is equal to power of derivative. The power of variable equal to power of derivative corresponding to x and corresponding to y, both cases. Such types of equation, in such types of equation we put small x is equal to e to the power capital X and small y is equal to e to the power capital Y. Then capital X is equal to log x, taking anti-log of this, and capital Y is log y. Also put x to the power r d to the power r, z is d1 into d1 minus 1 dot d1 minus r minus 1 into z, where d1 is the partial derivative with the capital X and y to the power r d dash to the power r z is right at d1 dash minus 1 dot d1 dash minus r minus 1 z, where d1 dash is equal to del upon del y. Then the equation first convert into partial differential equation, that means linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. And we have already learned the linear partial differential with the constant coefficient. Linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient may be two types. It may be homogeneous, it may be non-homogeneous. We have already learned all types of partial differential equation in the previous lectures. Clear? Now we learn the process with the help of the example. Clear? Solve x square del square z over del x square, clear, minus 4xy del square z over del x del y plus 4y square del square z over del y square plus 6y del z over del y is equal to x cube y to the power 4. Clearly, this is the equation having the arbitrary constant as variables. Here, these are the variables. Solution. So this equation is a partial differential equation with variable coefficients, or it is Cauchy-Euler equation. So first of all, we reduce this equation into linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. So we put small x is equal to e to the power capital X and small y is equal to e to the power capital Y, so that capital X is equal to log x and capital Y is equal to log y. Also put x del z over del x is equal to d1z, where d1 is equal to partial derivative with respect to capital X. X square del square z over del x square is equal to d1 into d1 minus 1z. Y del z over del y is equal to d1 dash z, where d1 dash is equal to del upon del capital Y, and y square del square z over del y square is equal to d1 dash into d1 dash minus 1z, and x y del square z over del x del y is replaced d1 into d1 dash z. Clear? Now put all these values, in equation first. So we get this x square del square z del x square is replace y d1 into d1 minus 1 minus 4 x y del square z over del x del y is replaced by d1 into d1 dash plus 4 y square del square z over del y square is replace y d1 dash minus 1 plus 6 d1 dash, take z the common throughout, and LHS is also becomes x is equal to e to the power, this is e to the power capital 3x, and y to the power 4 is e to the power 4 capital Y. Clear? So now we multiplying d1 square minus d1 minus 4 d1 dash plus 4 d1 dash square minus 4 d1 dash plus 6 d1 dash z is equal to e to the power 3 capital X plus 4 capital Y. On simplifying this, we get d1 square minus, we take the term of second order term d1 together plus 4 d1 dash square, right? Take the second order term, sorry, second degree term together minus this becomes d1. Today d1 is positive and plus 2 d1. So this is minus 2 d1 dash, and this is minus 2 1 d dash. Z is equal to e to the power 3 capital X plus 4 capital Y. Now complete this solution in the next page. Now write again the whole term. This is d1 square minus 4 d1 dash plus 4 d1 dash square, and second term is d1 minus 2 d1 dash. Z is equal to e to the power 3 capital X plus 4 capital Y. This is the square of d1 minus 2 d1 dash. d1 minus 2 d1 dash. Z is equal to e to the power 3x plus 4 capital Y. Take d1 minus 2 d1 dash common, then we get d1 minus 2 d1 dash minus 1. Z is equal to e to the power 3x plus 4 capital Y, right? So this becomes the non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient also, and also it is reducible to linear factor. So corresponding the first factor, so for the CF we will take d1 minus 2 d1 dash and d1 minus 2 d1 dash minus 1. Z is equal to 0. In the first factor, the value of A is equal to 1, the value of B is equal to minus 2, value of C is equal to 0. In the second factor, the value of A is equal to 1, the value of B is equal to minus 2, the value of C is equal to minus 1. So CF corresponding the first factor. Now there notable point that our variable in the equation first, our variables are now capital X and capital Y in place of X and Y. Clear? This is a notable point. So CF, in this case CF is e to the power minus C by A into capital X, phi 1 bx 2 capital X minus b x minus A by plus e to the power minus c by a minus 1 by 1 into capital X phi to bx to capital X minus a by. So the e to the power minus 0x becomes 0. Or this can be write as phi 1 to capital X plus y. Take y1 is the arbitrary function as even function. E to the power capital X phi 2 to capital X plus capital Y. Now put the value of capital X. The value of capital X is the value of capital X is log x, log small x. The value of capital Y is log small y, plus the e to the power capital X. E to the power capital X is small x, and phi 2 the value of capital S small log x small log y. Phi 1 this becomes log y x square, right, plus x phi 2 log y x square. This is the function of log y x square. So we may be write it as f1 y x square plus x, the another function f2 y x square, right. This is the CF. Now find the PI of this equation first on next page, right. PI is 1 upon f d comma d dash. This is d1 minus 2 d1 dash minus 1 into d1 minus 2 d1 dash into e to the power 3x plus 4 by. Here there are two factors. One factor is homogeneous and other factor is non-homogeneous. Now operate the homogeneous factor. So we will use the rule of PI of homogeneous. D1 minus 2 D1 dash 3 capital X plus 4 by. This is treated as homogeneous. The rule of homogeneous by using the sort method. By using the sort method, AB e to the power ax plus vy. So for this replace dy मतलब d1 by a 3 and d1 dash by 4 and integrate 1 times with respect to u. So this is d1 minus 2 d1 minus 1 and integrate replace d1 by 3 minus 2 replace d1 dash by 4 and integrate 1 times with respect to u, where u is equal to 3x plus 4 by. After integration we replace the value of u. Clear? So this is d1 minus 2 d1 dash as it is. This becomes minus 3 minus 8 minus 5 and integration of u with respect to u is u. So this becomes minus 1 upon 5 d1 minus 2 d1 dash minus 1. Clear? Replace u by 3x plus 4y. Now for this factor, this is treated as a non-homogeneous. We use the rule for formula, rules of pi for non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. For this we replace d by d1 by a, that means 3, and d1 dash replaced by b and 4. Clear? 4. So this becomes so minus 5. Replace d1 by 3 minus 2 into d1 dash 4 minus 1 and e to the power 3 capital X plus 4 capital Y. So this is minus 5, 3 minus 9 minus 6 e to the power 3x plus 4 capital Y. So this becomes 1 upon 30, or the e to the power 3x can be write as e to the power x into 3, so whole power 3, and e to the power capital Y whole power 4. Right? This write as 1 upon 30 e to the power 3x into e to the power 4y. This can be write e to the power capital X whole power 3 e to the power capital 4y. This is 1 upon 30. This is small x. This is small y. So pi is this. So complete solution. So complete solution in this case is z is equal to Cf plus Pi. Cf means f1 yx square, f1 yx square plus x, f2 yx square, and Pi is 1 upon 30 x to the power 3 y to the power 4. I hope you understand very well this problem. Okay, thank you.